My name is Andrea Richardson, and I am the business teacher here at Prairie View High School. I, along with a lot of other teachers and our school counselor, have been working hard on preparing your Career Day selections for this upcoming Career Day on November 22nd, 2019. Today, I would like to help show you how to complete the Career Day selection so that you are able to view as many of the careers that you are most interested in this Career Day. Before we begin, though, I would like to explain to you why we have Career Day. So Career Day started at Prairie View High School 3 years ago with the intent of giving our Prairie View High School students more of an ability to see the career options that are ahead of them. We wanted to make it as individualistic as possible and allow you guys to have access to as many different careers and college and even military experiences as we can feasibly do here in our building. We feel that being part of a small community, we wanted you to realize that there are so many different opportunities available all around you. And so here we are in our 3rd year of offering this Career Day here at Prairie View High School, and we are excited to get you started in your Career Day selections. So today, in your XLTs during Mentor Monday, you are going to select the careers that you would like to see during our Career Day, which will be held later on this month. Please do your best to select careers that are the most interest to you, so that way you can make this experience a fun one. Have a great day. Teachers will be able to find Career Day option lists in their mailboxes. Once they have them in their possession, they should distribute them to the students in their XLT during this Mentor Monday. Students should study the Career Day options list and determine which careers are of most interest to them. They may highlight them or circle them to determine which ones are the most interesting. Then they should go back and select the 5 that are most important to them that they actually get to see. Here is what that sheet looks like. Please pay special attention to which sessions those particular jobs and occupations that you're interested in seeing are available. You will only be able to see 1 per session, so please plan accordingly. Once you have completed looking at your Career Day options list, please get out your iPad and go to your email. In your email, you will see you have received a form from Mrs. Richardson. Please open it up and make your Career Day selections as it states. Be sure to read all of the directions very carefully before opening up the form to fill it out. In order to ensure that you get to see the careers of your choice, it is important that you fill out the form properly and completely. Incomplete forms will result in a teacher-made schedule, so please fill it out appropriately. Each form was made specifically for each grade level. You will notice when you go to select your XLT teachers that only the current grade level for that form is selected as far as XLT teachers available. Also, you might notice that you are missing one of the sections. That is because that is the time period where you will be going and viewing the military and college career exploration piece in the cafeteria.
Well, that was easy.